Right, so I'm going to show you how to enable a dual clock or the dual clock on your OnePlus 15. So this is very simple. Just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to system and update. Tap on that and then go to date and time. Tap on that and then you should see dual clock at the bottom. So it's gonna be off by default. So you want to turn that on. And then the clock one is obviously your phone's time, depending on where you are. And then clock two, you can choose to set the clock to a different city. Any city that you want. You can actually search for a city. I'm just going to pick New York, for instance, and then you can choose where you want the dual clock displayed. I'm going to choose on the lock screen, or I can choose on the home screen clock widget, or I could choose lock screen and home screen clock widget for both. Now, once you enable that, now I'm going to go back to the home screen. And as you can see, the clock widget displays time for the two locations, my location and the other city that I wanted to see. And that should be available on the lock screen as well. Dual clock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.